Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, so the reason that we promote the $25 business is because of this affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income every single day. It does not go down. So it's a perfect and probably the best product to promote I've found for affiliate marketers and new people into it. It's like the best product I found to promote. Right guys, so if you guys are interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, be sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're gonna look at our results. Looks like we did get a sale yesterday right here. Yeah, we're gonna refresh the page just to make sure that's true. All right, looks like we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Fantastic news. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is get you your affiliate links here. I'll first show you the link that I like to use. I like to use this link here just in case you guys are interested. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is links in my description. You're going to see down there step 1, step 2. Step 1 going to say something like incomespeech.com, something similar. It's going to take you to this page here. Now, this is the sales letter for the $25 business. Talks about what it does, what it is, what you can do with it, how much money you can make, so on and so forth, right? It just explains that type of information. Ultimately, if you guys are interested in the product itself, it is a funnel builder. It's actually a really good one for $25 a month with no real limitations to it. It's a fantastic deal. All right. But if you guys are but the reason that we are here is because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. You can make $20 to $100 monthly commissions, right? So we're here to promote it, to be honest. And ultimately, it does give to charity if you're interested in that as well. And that's about it. So we're gonna just look over this information, figure out what you want to do. Do you like the information? Is it working for you? Whatever. So we're gonna click on yes, I want in, right? Click on this page, put in your basic information here, blah blah blah, right? You get down here to the bottom here, hit the green button, complete order, right? Now one thing you want to make sure to do is, guys, you could get this for free if you use my link, which is HBA Premium. Now this is teaching you how to get people to click on your links on your Instagram, TikToks, YouTubes, whatever it may be, right? Kind of teaching you how to set them up, set up ads, whatever it may be you want to do, you know what I mean? Helping you out in that way. And it's constantly updating information because rules change and stuff on certain social media platforms. Something that worked on TikTok a year ago ain't working on TikTok now, so on and so forth, you know what I mean? And so it's constantly updated. I also have a AI content creation machine that'll help you like create create information or create content for your Instagram, TikTok, whatever it may be, right? Help you with the name. You can't think of a good name, so on and so forth, stuff like that, right? All right, and you get all that for free for 14 days if you use my link, guys. And also you get 100 if you get a sale with this premium, like you get somebody to buy it, so to speak, you will get that $100 monthly. It's still 80% recurring income, so you will get that money out monthly. Fantastic. And so on and so forth, right? So anyway, you click in, complete order, get instant access, you sign in, do all the stuff you need to do, get your links. All right, very basic steps to doing that. And it's videos explaining everything. So once you got your links, okay, now what do? We need somewhere to promote those links. Now what I'm gonna show you guys is the absolute easiest way to promote links that I have found. All right guys, period. It's simple. It's so simple. All right, so first you want to click on my second link there. It's going to take you to my lead secrets, right? This page here. What is my lead gen secrets? Basically, you get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day. Long story short, you know what I mean? So you're constantly building up leads, and these guys, they don't really know you like that, so it's going to take a while for them to get sales. Sometimes you can get sales on the first day, but it might take you a while, right? But once you start building up, you'll start getting sales from these guys. And we're just gonna go to my next email here. Gonna go with what we right here. Gonna load this up. Gonna remove the money here. Just gonna do this. There's another email here that already in the system here. I just picked one. Basically you want to just hit perfect timing there and preview here. Now the reason I'm hitting preview for two reasons. One, I want to make sure my link works. My link does indeed work. It went straight to the page there, right? Now the second reason is to give you guys a chance to copy this email if you guys are interested in this email. All you gotta do is just copy the information right now, pause the video and copy it, and then it can just go down to the bottom. Yeah, you can pause the video and copy it from here on as well. Boom, you got your email. Now emails work really well for me. All right, so we're gonna send this email. All right guys, we're sending this email. Boom, that's all there is to it, guys. And like, as you can see, it's a very simple process, very easy process to understand, and very quick process. It's about 30 seconds in the morning once you got all your emails in there that you want to use. You know what I mean? Fantastic program, works really well. You know, well, it works well for me. Now that was the easiest way to make money online. Now if you want to ask me what is the most profitable way to make money online right now, what's working really well right now, I would tell you to make shorts and post them on Instagram, post them on TikTok, and post them on YouTube. Short 7 to 15 minute videos on those 3 sites that people can see on their phone, very for the phone, so to speak. And just keep posting maybe 3 or 4 a day on all 4 places. Space out how you post them. I think that's a good idea. And eventually something's gonna go viral. That's the reason I deliberately said those 3 sites, because those 3 sites are easier. It's easier to go viral on those 3 sites than anywhere else. And so as soon as something does go viral and you got your link set up and everything set up correctly, you'll never have to worry about money again. That's all there is to it, guys. So anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit your notification bell. Now I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.